I'm Tim Andrews. I work here in the Environmental Studies program, I have for a long time, and that is really where our Green Campus initiatives began.
In terms of sustainability, that's has kind of evolved over the years as something somewhat different from environmental studies. We have moved, as has kind of the country in its thinking, from looking at the issue as being an environmental issue to one that's obviously a people issue, right? It has to do with our connection with each other as well as with the environment. We started talking about developing an environmental studies program, and it includes requirements in social sciences, and including philosophy and political science and biological science, and then some kind of a small capstone experience.
Our Sustainability Leadership Graduate Program is beginning its third year, and this is a one-year 15-credit program that can be a standalone certificate or it can be a concentration.
We found that we could partner with Focus on Energy, and they had auditors that came at our requests and audited our whole campus, all of the buildings, every boiler, every lighting system, and we made a list of where the energy was being consumed, and our goal was to save up to 30% of the energy. It sounded simple. It wasn't.
Our new facility, a Visual and Theater Arts Center, is a registered LEED project, and we're pursuing LEED Gold certification for that facility. And it has a geothermal system in place, which is very exciting. Dominican Hall is one of our residence hall facilities, and it was completed in 2008. It was the first LEED Silver certified residence hall in the state of Wisconsin.
My students are assigned to each residence hall, and the residence hall competes to reduce electricity use and heating use.
Well, faculty and staff worked together creating rain gardens. This really came out of the science department. You'll notice around this campus there are rain gardens, a lot of rain gardens in all the surrounding areas. Incidentally, 2 more springs started to flow along the shores of Lake Wingra that had long been dry. I wonder. Our lake shore was a treasure and really untapped. You could hardly see the lake from the Park and Pleasure Drive until we removed maybe 6,000 buckthorn trees.
Last year at Phil's, 40% of all of our purchases were from local vendors. The garden project has been going on in Edgewood for several years. There's a class on campus, Woods Edge, that will be planting a lot of our seeds for us, so we'll be able to actually plant into the garden from seeds. Last year we focused more on herbs, tomatoes, things that we could get a better production from and we could get more than one crop off of. We're trying to expand into things that will grow throughout the summer, just as opposed to a one-season crop.
We create a green fund internally for the campus sustainability team, and basically we benchmark historically our electricity and our heat costs, and if we reduce those costs, the committee gets a percentage of those savings, and then we can use those savings as our own fund to initiate green projects.
2011, along with 30 other institutions, including Harvard University, Stanford, and Middlebury College, we became founding members of the $1 Billion Green Challenge. We've committed a portion of the college's endowment to a revolving green fund to help finance energy efficiency upgrades.
One of the next steps is to develop a comprehensive long-term sustainability plan. There's increasing interest in how to make the campus, not just in the curriculum, but as in the operations and facilities and the purchasing and so forth, a sustainable campus. Looking at where are we as an institution with respect to curriculum, with respect to outreach, with respect to, to energy use, water, the whole gamut of sustainability issues, and establishing some goals for where we want to be.